In Procreate, the adjustments are located here, and be mindful that they will affect the layer selected only. If you want to mimic as best as possible an adjustment layer in another software to affect everything underneath, I recommend you copy the whole canvas right here to paste it back. As you can see, this creates a new flat layer with every information on it. While we're at it, we're gonna duplicate it to have a handy backup for later if we need it. And right now, we can use whatever adjustment we want on top of this layer. So, for example, right here, a gradient map. And the best part is we can then later reduce the effect by just reducing the opacity of the layer until we achieve the desired effect. So maybe about here for me. And you can see the before and the after. Before, after. Also, with more layers, it can be easier to stack multiple effects if we want, instead of maybe doing everything on one layer. So there you have it. Don't hesitate to create a copy of your whole canvas whenever you want to try some effects. It'll save you some headaches later if you change your mind.